Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and guys, we're standing on board our brand new 2025 Aviara 32, and this is the Outboard. Guys, this is a really pretty gray over black, and with that black center stripe, these black motors just really offset it very, very nicely. And of course, being a 25, it has the updated interior, so you've got a little bit more detail as you go throughout this boat. Another part that's unique, and this is a sunshade boat, by the way, but another part that's nice, a lot of dark countertop Aviaras on the market, a lot less of the light countertop boats. And if you don't already know, these 32s have not only incredible sound, but incredible storage. Everything opens up. There's a cooler over underneath the porch seat. There is a refrigerator underneath this summer kitchen. And guys, just a really nice area for prep stuff. You throw knives, utensils, etc. in there. These boats also have an incredible hardtop. One of the things we've always loved about the Aviara is single post, but a massive hardtop. Great lighting, great stereo. Very, very big hardtop. This boat feels tremendously large for a 32. Great, great day boat. Going forward, we've got a phenomenal helm. This helm with its bolsters is truly, and I mean truly, a double wide helm. It's also a very comfortable place to spend the day. Simrad for your engines, your GPS, and a unique control monitor that works very wonderfully for running switches and stereo on the boat. Aviara put a tremendous emphasis in getting that right so that this boat was very, very fun to be on. For the helm and for the captain here, you've got a slot for a cell phone. You've got a great little locker to store things you don't want to fly away. And of course, this is a Mercury boat, so updated controls. You've got the joystick, sky hook, etc., etc. One of the last things I want to point out, a 32 Aviara has a tremendous head. In a field of a lot of boats that make a compromise here to put a head on a 32 but try and add something else to it, Aviara was very intentional about a space, not just you could use the bathroom, but change if you need to, etc. This is a deep, big boat, and Aviara did a great job taking advantage of it, even with the bow. If you guys want to check this out, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Give me a call, ask for Jeremiah or any of our sales team. We'll put you on this boat, get you out on the water.